Hey, just wanted to make you a quick video of the Trailblazer. I'm going around right here to the back. Everything looks great back here. I'll get up close to it. Looks good as new, as you can see. Right back there, and I'll just kind of back away here. Everything looks very nice back here. Right around in that area is where the little spot was, but it looks good. And just quickly going around the entire thing. Everything looks super clean here. And just quickly looking at the interior again. We'll go ahead and pop this open. Everything looks great. Back in here has been fully detailed and buffed, and everything looks good on it. Hit that button right there. Let's go ahead and start it up real quick for you. All right. We'll go ahead and pop this open. Everything looks good back here. Everything looks good back there. Grab it right there. All right. Go ahead and shut it down. Nice. And we'll have the vehicle sitting right here until you guys come to pick it up. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.